Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here. Today I want to introduce you to one of my favorite training servers, and that is the training server 72AG found here. There are several training areas on the map with 5 separate zones for dogfighting, and the rules are basically don't shoot people down unless you're on comms with them and it's been arranged. This P-51 and I are not talking to each other, so we're going to respect each other's position on the map. Ground attack targets are a bridge, tanks, defensive position, depot, and a railway station. At the bottom left of the map is shoot training, which is AI aircraft versus you. And pilotage on the right, I'm not really sure what that is. You can spawn in on the ground or you can spawn in the air. The 5,000 meter mark is a great place to start for level bombing practice. We'll do an air start from Step Neu, where you have access to almost every aircraft in the game. And scrolling down for World War I fans as the Flying Circus aircraft. But what is really useful is scrolling down further will give us aircraft with infinite ammo, which allows you to fire rockets or cannon or drop bombs without having to go back and rearm. Our target today will be the bridge, and we will use the BF-110G2 with 2 500 kg bombs. So we will air spawn at Step Neu, then we'll make a left-hand turn and go over to the bridge. You will have to set your throttles and props and open up your radiators. By pressing F2 you'll have a third-person view, or F1 to get back into the cockpit. So we're going to line up on the bridge, and just as it passes under the nose we're going to let fly the bombs. On the advanced and expert servers we may have flown half an hour across the map to get here. What a pity to miss the target, just like we're doing now. And that is exactly the reason why we practice. And next we're going to hit the defensive position in the town. For this attack I've chosen the Focke-Wulf 190A8 with 12 rockets. And my first target is an APC on the main road, which is actually a mistake. I should take out the AAA first to reduce the threat to myself. And this is where teamwork comes in. Next we'll hit the tanks with the BF-110 just strafing with its cannons. Having the range icons on is useful, so you know when to open fire. A good way is to open fire a little early and watch your shells walk up to the target. Notice how much of the gun sight reticle your target takes up when you open fire. And as you get better at it, you can turn the icons off. And keep practicing until you get it right. Pick one target and stick with it. If you want to learn more about strafing ground targets or bombing stuff, check out my ground attack videos. So now let's use the Peshka with 4 250 kilogram bombs to take out the railway station. Easy stuff, we'll just follow the rail line in. There it is, 3 buildings on either side of the rail line and 2 trains. On each attack, if you're able to keep the same angle and speed, you'll be able to make corrections very easily. And by the way, the Peshka is an excellent aircraft with which to learn how to bomb. Oh yeah, baby! And finally, we're going to hit the depot. This time using the A-20. And with these advanced bombing tactics I was able to destroy 17 buildings and 2 static aircraft with my 20 100-pound bombs. Remember that in real life and on expert servers you won't be able to spend much time over the target at all. The enemy has already been alerted and their fighters are on the way. So you don't really have the luxury of being able to take the time to do nice long approaches as if you're doing circuits at an airfield. Notice how after each bombing run I do a slight teardrop turn and then convert the speed to altitude, come back in. This keeps me pretty much at a consistent speed and angle as I come in for the attack. There's no better feeling in IL-2 than being able to drop a bomb precisely on your target consistently. But to achieve that level of skill takes many hours of practice. And we don't make all our turns in the same direction because flak and fighters will pick that up. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope you will be able to use this server and improve your own skills. Cheers.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.